Thank you for choosing the Magnavox DVD player, model DP170MGXF. The following steps will assist you in connecting your new unit. Before getting started, please make sure that your TV and DVD player are plugged in but powered off for your safety. Please begin by connecting one end of your HDMI cable to the HDMI out connection on the DVD player located on the far left-hand side. Connect the other end to the HDMI in connection on your TV. Once you've connected your HDMI cable correctly, power on your TV and DVD player. Turn your TV to the HDMI channel setting. Please note, the HDMI setting could vary depending on the brand and model of your TV. Once connected to the correct HDMI channel setting, you will see the DVD player display on your TV screen. You can now insert your DVD for your viewing pleasure. This concludes the instructions for the HDMI cable connection setup. Should you need further assistance, please contact the 800 number found in your owner's manual.